quickly build a visualizer to help you guys understand that how Bitcoin transactions work and what is the main purpose of UTXOs. Let's build the report. Now let's come towards inputs and outputs. So what is UTXO? UTXO simply stands for unspent transaction outputs. A wallet tracks UTXOs, which are small spendable pieces of Bitcoin, and coin selection means choosing which UTXOs become inputs for this payment. Like in this case, this is the UTXO which is input, and the value of this is 2 lakh sats. Now let's come towards outputs. Now here outputs, we can see two outputs. First one is worth 1,50,000 sats, and the second one is a change which is worth 49,295 sats. We can see that this is not equal to 50,000, and the reason is fee math, because fee math is simply the formula which is fee rate into vbytes. Vbytes denotes the size of our transaction, and therefore the fee which we paid was 705, which was deducted from leftover. So change total came out to be 49,295. Now one very important thing about leftover is that if the value of leftover is fairly large, like it is in our case, then this happens. But if it is very small, then entire leftover part is used to pay fee, and this behavior is known as central behavior. Now let's come towards what is a PSBT. A PSBT, an overview is that it is an unsigned transaction package with metadata, so signing can happen safely later, and this often happens on another device. Now let's understand what is dust. Dust it simply means that outputs that are too tiny to be useful because spending them later can cost too much. So safe builders used these signals like dust safe to avoid dust outputs. Now what is RVF and time lock? So RVF stands for replace by fee. If confirmation is slow, the sender can bump fee by replacing transaction. That behavior is signaled by known final end sequence values and input. And here in our case, log time is 8,70,000 and end log time is a time lock field. Here the type is block height, and these are explicitly defined. In our case, warning is RVF signaling. Thank you.